students, welcome back to English language class on nouns. In today's video, I am going to tell you about collective nouns. So, these nouns are very common in English. So, you need to know about them. Collective nouns. So, in this word, what can you think? It can be a collection or a unit of nouns, and it can be also a group of nouns. So, okay, let's see. Let's get started. The definition of collective nouns. What are the definition of collective nouns? These are the names given to a group of people, animals, or things of the same kind considered as one unit. What does it mean? So, collective nouns are names that given to a group of people. Group of people, not only a single person, group of people, more than one person. Group of animals, more than one animal. Group of things, more than one things. In a same kind. Okay, in a same kind. For example, if I am talking about a pen or a pencil or a basket, so if I am talking about a pen, so it will be the pens group. All kinds of pen. Same kinds of pen. If I am talking about wolf, so only the wolf, class of this wolf, same kind. Okay. So, that means when we say considered as one unit or a particular class of noun or a group, any group of noun as a unit, it is called collective noun. So, we can say a pen. Look at here. This is a pen. When I have this type of 6 pens, so that means I have multiple pens together. If I am talking about the entire multiple pen, on that time I want to say that consider them as a unit. So I can call them as a collection of pen. So what will be the pens collective noun? A case of pens. Okay. And to look at here, when we are talking about, look at this example. Always it will be plural in form. Okay. So that means first here some few nouns, whenever we consider them as a group or as a single unit, as a name, so there we have to know the same new name of collection or group or unit of nouns. For example, we can, let's see first for example. First one, a band of musicians. Musician, if I see only one musician, when 5 or 6 musicians are standing there, so it will be plural in form musicians, and on the musician, the group of entire musician, 5 or 6 musician, we can call them as a collective noun, a band. So band is the new word of this collection, of this group of musicians, a band of musicians. Okay. Okay, look at here, not a band of musicians. It will be a band of musicians. Then a board of directors. One director and more than one director. When it is talking about more than one director, a group of directors, on that time we call as a collective noun a board of directors. A choir of singers, 5 singers, 6 singers. We are not talking about only one singer, more than one singer. So on that time, as a collective noun, we will say a choir of singers. Singers, okay? A class of students. We say class 5, class 6. That means not only one student sit in the particular class. Class means a group of students. Okay? So that's why a class of students. Then a crowd, oblique mob of people. When written crowd of slash mob, that means both are used as a collective noun of people. But when we are talking about only the people who are standing there, only any kind of people, it is called crowd. When we are talking about the angry people, the people who are getting angry, on that time we will write a mob of people. Mob means angry. Angry people, it's called mob. And general people, it's called a crowd of people. Sorry, here will be an. An army of ants, or can be soldiers. Both of their ants and soldiers, both of their, we can use army, this collective noun, these new words. A flock of birds and a flock of sheep. Why it is not sheep? Why it is not sheep? Because sheep, SHEEP, this animal, we cannot change into plural in form. Sheep remains sheep. Deer remain deer, not adding any s, any interchange. Okay? A hive or swarm of bees. Hive, swarm, both can be applicable for bees. A group of, a collection of bees. A litter of puppies or kitten. A herd of cows, elephants, cattle. Okay? A colony of ants, bats, penguin. You can see ants are making a line and want to collect their food for winter. So that means group of ant, it's called colony. Bats also, animals named bat. Penguin also, all are colony, used colony. A bundle of sticks, already we know. A bundles of nerves also. In our human body there are nerves. In also animals body there are different kinds of animals body also there are nerves. So a bundle of nerves. A gaggle of geese. Goose, plural form is geese. So I have already said all of these nouns always will be plural in form. So that's why here also geese, not goose. A gaggle of geese. A pack of dogs, wolves. A gang of thieves, robbers. A pad of papers. Notepad, we say notepad. So pad means more than one papers are there. That is pad. So a pad of papers. A bunch of keys. A bunch of keys. Bunch of keys. Bunch of grapes. Okay. A caravan of camels. Here also talking about more than one camel. It is called a new word. The collection of Camel is called caravan. A fleet of airplanes or ships. So this fleet word is used for airplane and ships. Okay, I think this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Goodbye.